Yeah, madam, of course. It's a great moment for me. And my name is Hanumanta Nayak, madam. I am from Karnataka, which is southern part of India.
Mhm.
And currently I have completed my graduation in 2011
Okay.
in, in government. I am government employee.
Okay. That's great, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Susmita. Basically, I belong to Assam. Currently, I reside in UP. About my qualification, I have done master in education. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah, of course, madam. I know you are very well. I am watching your videos from last, I think, last 4 months, and you are
Okay.
doing well, and you are talking well to people, and your suggestions also very good. And I found, I am very fond of your videos. So I'm watching always your videos.
It's mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.
Yeah,
Yeah,
madam.
do you have any suggestion to I need to improve or I need to bring for viewers any special things?
No, me. Already you are forwarded. I don't have that much of knowledge to tell you. So I am a beginner. So still I didn't speak anyone. This is the first my conversation with you.
Oh
Yeah,
wow, I'm a luckiest person.
yeah. I am lucky. So I am very eager and to talk with you, and I'm very glad, and yeah. So I'm a little bit nervous. This is my first video, so I'm a little bit nervous. So I want to know more about English communication. I have more interest to learn this communication because it is, it is a global language. So nowadays it is very important to learn everybody, not only me, to everybody. So I am learning this language from last 1 year. So I want to improve more. So I want to know more, and I want to speak. I want to get more knowledge about English communication.
That's great. First of all, be calm. No need to nervous. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just a like you learner. I'm not professional teacher. So be
Thank
calm and whatever you want to share with me, feel free to share. Okay. Just I like to know from you that which kind of strategy do you follow to learn this language apart from watching? You already shared that you watch my videos. Maybe you watch another videos too. Apart from watching, what do you do in order to
you.
learn this language?
Yes, ma'am, of course. I want to tell you about my English journey. So actually, I am watching always. I am in whenever I am getting free time, I am into YouTube. I am watching YouTube conversations, your videos, and also some other videos, and English
Mhm.
podcast, English movie, subtitle movie, and I
Okay.
am reading Hindu newspaper always. So I am reading regularly. So that is my routine. Yeah,
Mhm.
that is a difficult. I can't understand that is language. The Hindu the newspaper. So they are using language that is more forwarded. I think I don't know. So I am reading always. So I am reading from last 1 year. So yeah, this is my English journey. So I am spending more my free time in YouTube, watching to movie and video conversation, and yeah, this type of activities I am doing.
Okay, that's great. You are doing such a good things. Okay, I want to know another things that who inspire you and who influenced you to learn this language? Is there any role model do you follow?
No, no, nobody inspired me. But I so why I should learn this language means so some little bit some incident happened in my life after
Mhm.
my graduation. Basically, I am from bachelor of I did bachelor of degree, bachelor of
Mhm.
arts. So after that, I went. After that, I went for searching a job to Bangalore. So
Okay.
where I gave many interview. I failed because during that time I don't know this English communication. I visited some BPO and call center company, but where they rejected me because of lack of English communication. So that's why then I started to I started to thinking to I want to learn this communication. So I want need if I learn this communication, I can survive. So I started to thinking like, then I started to learning this communication, and I bring some books, grammatical books and dictionaries, and again yeah, I started to reading to learning this communication.
Okay, that's great. You are working now in a government sector, right?
Yeah, madam, yes.
How it's happened suddenly in between? How did you get a job? I'm very curious to know. Could you share your achievement?
Yeah, yeah. Before this, before that, I'm working in a private company,
Mhm.
the company. So after that, my job, that nature is, I want to work from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. The
Oh,
private company. So my parents told me, you take government job. It is secure, and you can lead your life in a good way, good manner. So then I started then I started to thinking how to get this job. We cannot get easily a government job, as you know already. And so some of my friends already they got government job. Then I followed their rules, what they did to getting this job, government job. And
you followed their strategy.
they told me, and they suggest me, and they give me guidance to get this job. And I read
Mhm.
many books, competitive books, and then I selected to this job.
Wow. How long it's been?
Up from I got the government job. I joined this job in 2014, around
Oh,
10 years.
around 10 years. Yes, that's great. Very glad to hear that. And suddenly, which circumstances come in front of you that you thought that I should work on my communication skill? Is
Yeah,
there
ma'am,
any circumstances it's happened with you?
I'm not getting what you're telling.
Okay. I'm asking you, is there any incident it's happened with you that you thought that I should work on my communication skill after getting job? Which kind problem you had to face?
Yeah, the main I am learning this language. The main three things. One is I want to know this communication very well, and one second one is, if I know this communication, I can teach with my. I have two kids, and if I know this language in a good way, I know this language in good way, so I can teach to my children also. And
Mhm.
if my future in my career, presently I'm working in the government sector. If I get uh, air force, so I want to speak with some air officers. So there also it will help me a lot. So that is one reason. And other one is, if we travel some other places, some neighboring state or some other countries, so this language is very much important in that case. So for these three things, I am learning this language so far, man.
That's great. Very good to know. Are you planning to go abroad, or is there any chance to go?
If I get chance, definitely I will go. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Anything would you like to ask me? Because I was asking continuously.
You are forwarded, madam. You are forwarded. You know more about English communication. So I want a suggestion from your side. Uh, how to
Okay.
I improve this communication more? And if you have any suggestion, me please tell me.
You are the more experienced than me because you have did lots of hard work in your life to achieve your goal, right? So I think you have lots of experience. If I talk about English communication skills, it comes from practice. you said that you recently have started to talk with people, even I first, right? So now you are that much able to communicate with people and you are able to deliver your thought, in a such good manner. So I am impressed a lot that if you carry on forward, then definitely you will be a good communicator in a one day. So but just you have to carry on, and you already do watching videos. Initially that is a must required, right, to watch videos, and apart from you have to speak.
Yes, ma'am. Daily I am watching one or two videos, and daily I am reading newspapers, and yeah, this type of activities I am doing. And in my that surrounding, there is no people to speak this language. So I am alone speaking daily. I will daily I am taking one or two subject, and over that subject I am speaking 10 to 15 minutes daily. Uh, I am doing shadow practice, and even I don't have any friends to speak to them. They are not speaking. They are speaking when we are meeting. They are speaking native language. They are not
Mhm.
speaking English. So I am till today. I'm not. I didn't speak anyone with English. So I am always speaking solo
Okay.
myself only.
Yourself you talk like a mirror technique, right?
I'm
In front of
this.
mirror or in front of camera. That is also another type of practice. It's also required to build our confidence. If we talk mostly, then you will be able to present yourself in front of someone. So whenever you go in front of people, then you feel very much comfortable or confidence to deliver your thoughts in front of them. So that is also required, especially when you start recently or initially. That is required. And haven't you used any other application
No, madam.
like S Fluency? There are lots of application are available. I think that is also can help you to speak.
There are many applications available in YouTube and some in Play Store and in, YouTube. And but I didn't till now I didn't use any that applications. So I
Okay.
am I already told you that that activities I am doing regularly. And
Mm.
if anything came in mind, so I will speak over that subject 10 to 15 minutes alone. I'm going to alone some that peaceful area, and where I am practicing daily 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, that is also required. Self-talk is also required. We are not able to present ourselves sometimes. So it's required to do practice by ourselves. We can't express ourselves in front of someone, incomplete sentence we can't deliver to them. So that is the required to do self-practice initially. That is must required. So any other problem are you facing, or anything else would you like to discuss with me?
Yeah, please tell me how you entered in this language, why you were learning this language. I don't know. So please tell me your, your journey about English.
Uh-huh. So I have been learning this language for 1 year, and initially I was also not aware about that much that its language is also important. It will be, in future. So when I got to know that its language very essential, without without having knowledge of this language, we will can't do anything. So that's how I started. It's been 1 year, and initially, what I used to do that I used to also self-talk, and I used to record myself. I used to talk in front of camera. I used to use that as Fluency application. It's helped me a lot to build my confidence. So that's how I got to know about the Skype application. So someone added me in group. So that's how I started to talk with people in a daily basis. So in a nutshell, this is my learning journey so far is going on.
Yes, ma'am. Very good. And recently, I know Skype. Up to I don't know that this application, but recently someone told me to this. There is a Skype ID. Then I search in
Mm.
YouTube and how to use. Even today, I don't know how to use Skype ID. I am always watching YouTube only, but recently I am using. Recently, I am sending mail to someone to speak English in English, making please conversation with me like. So I send mail you, and you also send me mail, madam. So I didn't receive. I didn't saw your mail. So sorry for that inconvenience, and I regret that.
No problem. It's happened. You are working profession, so up and down, it's happened in our life, right? So we should
Yes.
not feel regret about the silly things. No
Yes.
problem. Okay, I have one question to you that whenever you feel stress in your life, so how do you overcome from this kind of stress?
Yeah, madam.
What strategy do you follow? What anything special things do you follow that to cheer up from this kind of situation?
Yeah, if I'm getting any that pressure or anything, so I'm going to directly temple, ma'am. I will go to temple and I will sit calmly for 2 hours
Mhm.
and come back. So then automatically it come down my pressure. I
Wow.
most of the time I'm visiting temple and most of the time I'm visiting that peaceful area, that garden, and yeah, I choose some area. So I will if I getting any pressure, so I will directly visit to those place, and after I will sit 1 or 2 hours, and I spend their time. So then after my that mind relax, getting relaxed, and I will come back again.
Wow. It's similar things. I also prefer to, listen hymns, devotee songs, bhajan, this kind of
Yes.
thing I used to watch. So it's, make me calm or relax. It's give me so satisfaction and relax. So I also do this kind of activity to cheer up any kind of problem or stress. This kind of, spiritual things gives us very satisfied or very much calm, composed to, be a calm or be a composed. So I also can relate it.
Uh, Presently, what is you doing, madam? Presently.
Presently, I don't do anything. I'm a married person, mother of one small kid, so I'm nurturing him. And simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel and learning along with.
Great,
That's
great,
all.
great.
Yes, great. That's great. Thank you so much for connecting, and I hope we will connect soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Give me such a good opportunity. We will meet again.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to we have conversation.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.